folks, this is Kim Adamski, HIV Prevention Specialist at the Hartford Gay and Lesbian Health Collective. I expect most of you have seen the really exciting news we got this week from the Supreme Court. They voted 6-3 to expand Title VII, which prohibits discrimination based on sex to include LGBTQ people. I'm sure this great news was quite welcome with all the turmoil the U.S. is seeing right now. Now, I want to give you a little summary of what the decision means. First, according to the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, Title VII is part of the 1964 Civil Rights Act, which made discrimination based on race, color, national origin, sex, and religion illegal. Title VII prohibits employers from discriminating against these groups with any conditions or terms of employment. So, like hiring, promotions, pay, that sort of thing. In addition, employers cannot make employment decisions based on stereotypes. 3 cases, each of which involved LGBTQ individuals being fired for their sexual orientation, were decided on Monday. According to jurist.org, the question was whether or not Title VII applied to sexual orientation and gender identity. Since an individual's orientation or gender is of no relevance to employment and is generally considered a trait within the category of sex the way Title VII defines it, it was decided that LGBTQ people were included under Title VII protections. Here is a quick excerpt of the court's opinion. An employer who fires an individual merely for being gay or transgender violates Title VII. Title VII makes it unlawful for an employer to fail or to refuse to hire or discharge any individual or otherwise to discriminate against any individual because of such individual's race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. The straightforward application of Title VII's terms, interpreted in accord with their ordinary public meaning at the time of their enactment, resolves these cases. The 3 Supreme Court justices that dissented the court's decision were, unsurprisingly, Kavanaugh, Thomas, and Alito. Kavanaugh claims that the ruling was based on personal preference rather than law, which tells us he thinks that LGBTQ status is a matter of choice rather than something that person is born with. We know this is untrue, and thankfully the majority of the Supreme Court justices do as well. Of course, there's still a lot of work to be done for equality, but let's celebrate our successes when we get them. We need something to celebrate during these tough times. But let's not get complacent either. Keep working to better our country and our world whenever you can. Thanks for watching, and of course, be well and be yourself.